All right, let's look at this example. So it says over the last 3 evenings, we received 141 calls in the call center. First evening is 9 fewer than the second evening, and then the third evening, it's 4 times as many as the first. How many did we receive each evening? So I'm going to call these variables x, y, and z. So x will be the number of calls on the first night, and y we'll say is the number on the second night, and we'll say z is the number on the third night. So we know there's a total of 141, so we have x plus y plus z equals 141. So that's one equation. We also know on the first evening, she received 9 fewer calls than the second evening. So less on the first evening. So the first evening, 9 less than the second evening. So that's x equals y minus 9. Because x is bigger, so to balance it out, I have to subtract 9 from the bigger number. And then the third evening, which is z, is 4 times as many as the first evening, which is 4x. So again, I would go ahead and solve this for y. So we get y equals 9. And so now the nice thing is we have z equal to something with an x and y equal to something with an x. So we can plug these in. I'll plug y into y and z in for z, and we'll get an equation we can solve. So if we look at this, we get x plus y, and y is now x plus 9, plus z, but z is now 4x, equals 141. So if I add all these up, I get 6x plus 9 equals 141. I'll go ahead and take away 9, so we yield 6x equals to 132. And so, of course, I can divide by 6. So we'll do 132 divided by 6, which is 22. So x is 22. Now, what the heck did I just find? Well, 22 is x, so 22 is the number for the first night. The last night, the third night, is just 4x, so it's just 4 times 22, which is 88. And now our second night is x plus 9. Or I'm sorry, it is, x plus 9. So it is 22 plus 9, which is 31. So we have our 3 nights. We have the 22, the 31, and the 88. So if you add all those numbers up, it gives you 141, which is kind of what we would expect, that if I add these up, I get 141 calls, 22, 31, 88.